How to change Google Chrome language back to English. So if you want to change your Google Chrome language back to English, then to do so, you need to simply follow the steps. So first, you need to open up your Chrome browser. So open up your Google Chrome and then you need to select the account in which you would like to change the language. So you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then once you click on the three dots, you will have this gear shaped icon. So if you don't understand the language, you need to simply go for the gear shaped icon. Once you click on the gear shaped icon, it will take you to the settings. So open up your settings, and if you have a different language here, then don't worry. What you need to do is simply go for the globe shaped icon, which is here on the middle of your screen. So that icon is the language icon. So simply go for the language which has that globe shaped icon, and under that you will have the languages option. So from here you can change your language. And now you need to simply click on add language, and then you can add a language. So for example, you can choose English. And once you click on English, you need to check that and then click on add. And once you click on add, you will add the English language. Click on add, and that's it. You can simply choose any one of that language, go for the right click, and then you can simply go for display Google Chrome in this language, and you will have that language. So that's how you can change the Google Chrome language back to English. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.